How to log in to United Explorer card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into United Explorer card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and search for United Explorer card login. After you search for that, you'll find the website by Chase Bank. You can simply open that up. You'll see manage your account, United credit card. So just head over there and there you'll find an option to sign in on the top right corner. Tap on sign in and it should take you to a sign in page. So as you can see right here. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now after you're here, all you have to do is enter up your username and then your password. After you do that, you can then tap on this remember me option to make your login process easier for the future. Or if you want to use token, you can select this as well. Simply tap on sign in. Then you'll get logged in into your United Explorer card. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.